Okay, the cat I'm going to be sketching today, the pencil sketch, is the American Shorthair. Okay, and there are more cats coming up, by the way, and if you'd like to know all about them, well, remember to subscribe. Okay, right, now we start off with the cat's eyes. And by the way, I'm using a bit of paper here to rest my hand on so that I don't, spread pencil lines all over the place, make it a bit muddy. Right, so start at a little point there, and for a cat's eye, bring it up in a nice big high curve, like that. And put the pressure on when you want the lines to be dark, like that, and take the pressure off when you want them light. Now, the other side of the cat's eye, by the way, is almost like an angle. Don't bring it right down to the same level as that. Okay, leave it there, and then continue with the bottom of the eye and bring a nice big curve, like that. You're also going to leave a little point there, a wee bit sticking out, okay? And then the pupil of the eye, the cat's kind of looking up, so there's that pupil there. The other eye would start about the same kind of thing, start about here, nice big high curve, bring it up there, leave it to that angle there, okay? Then bring in the bottom half of the eye, like that. Yep. And the other pupil there, okay? The cat's eyes looking up. Put a bit more pressure on there. Now the nose, little nose, comes in a bit here, and it's kind of this shape. A little point there. And what you can do is shade it in, put a bit of pressure on for the tip, and then take it off as you come up there, like that, okay? And typical cat's mouth, wee line coming down from the centre of the nose, and these two curves coming in there. It gives that nice cute look. Okay, top of the head, again, use broken lines, and put the pressure on, take it off, that kind of thing. You get that varied look there. It's a short hair cat, obviously. The ear's quite big, coming up to a nice kind of rounded point there, like that. I'm using broken lines all the time, like that. Okay, and inside of the cat's ear, kind of hairy, so you draw the hairs like that, and then kind of shade this bit in here. Kind of light shading to suggest the inside of the cat's ear, like that, okay? I'll be putting the stripes on later. This is a stripy cat. The side of the cat's head comes down about here, and a nice gentle curve coming across to a wee chin. Leave the chin fairly light, like that, okay? And coming back down about there, okay? There we have the cat's head. Now I'm going to draw it sitting down, so its body will be kind of hunched, okay? So we'll start our way down here and bring it up in a nice long curve up over its shoulders, up to its neck. So there's that shape there, okay? And then we can start to shade in, draw in with broken lines to suggest the fur. Again, put the pressure on and take it off when you want it lighter, right down to there, and the tail will come out of it there. The other side of the cat, coming about there, its chest, slight curve as it comes around to one leg here. Right? This leg will come down, it's fairly broad at the top, something like that, and then get narrower as it comes down. Again, these broken lines, and then round to kind of small paws, but kind of fat tips to them, like that, okay? Quite typical of the cat. And the other leg coming in there, the other side of the chest. Coming down, like that. Okay. Right, and the back legs, the haunches, this is where the kind of fur kind of bunches up, but you'll get roughly this kind of shape here. Put it fairly lightly on the fur, coming down and kind of folding itself over the back leg, which will come in about there, a bit that's on the ground, and then you have the toes or the paws here coming in, like that, okay? Okay, and the tail coming out of here. Bring it around in a nice kind of gentle curve, like that to a rounded tip about there. Okay. Right, okay, there's the shape of the cat. Oh, the other leg, by the way, I said there's a lot of fur in there, so it'll be fairly hidden, but you'll probably see the other leg coming in about there. Just see the tip of the paws coming in. Okay, right, now we can put the stripes in. Now they usually have a stripe coming down from the centre of the head to about there. So again, put the pressure on and then take it off as you come down. You can use a slightly circular motion like that with the sketching, you see. Or you can use those kind of lines. You know, you can get different effects by moving your pencil in different ways. The other stripes come up here, up towards the bottom of the eye there. You know. Again, use circular, and then it doesn't have to be straight. You can move it about a bit, you know. A bit of variation on the pattern. Okay. And the American Shorthair also has little kind of lines and spots coming down its top lip there, if you like. I want to call it its top lip. Okay, and you know, you get the whiskers coming out of there. There's her head of the cat, looking pretty cute. Okay, now the stripes on the body, they follow that kind of a line round the body there, round towards the chest. Okay, so get one coming down there, and they kind of peter out as they get towards the chest. They don't continue all the way around. The chest area is usually quite light. Okay, one in there, coming down, stopping there like that, and another one coming in, maybe there. They're all the same width, you know. They vary, and as I get down towards the back of the cat, they become more like patches, you know. There we are, like that. And they kind of sometimes don't start from the top, but come in from a bit here somewhere. Okay, I'm still using that method of putting weight on and taking it off again when I want to get dark bits and light bits, okay? And as it gets down towards the back of the cat, you find that these patches or shapes become kind of broader. So you'll get a big one there perhaps, you know? And perhaps one coming in about there. Again, use your pencil in different ways, round and circles, or you know, back and forward, and you'll find you get different. You could even, you put really some pressure on to get those kind of lines there to give a kind of sketchy quality to it, you know. And another one here, come in, and perhaps one coming in here. Almost like little islands, you know, little dark islands in the back of the cat as it comes around. Now, the jump over here to the legs first of all, before we do the back legs, and put some stripes in again, you know. It's almost like a design pattern, you know. If you look at the cats themselves, they all vary, they're all different. So, maybe one come like that. And one there. Even more shading in that bit, I think. Okay. Right, as we come down to the back, again, this bit, the underside of the cat, this part of it here, it'll be fairly light, but you probably get another bit of shading here. Again, kind of following the line of the cat round. Okay. Get a bit of shading in there if you like. And on there, maybe a wee bit coming over the back, like that. And then to the tail, we'll carry this dark shading on into the tail here, okay, like that. And then try and bring it round the cat's tail again, accentuating the actual shape, okay, like that. I'm following the pencil lines around the cat's tail now, like that, and then bringing on some shading here for the end, Okay. Right. Okay, that's our pencil sketch of the American Shorthair cat. Now, as I said at the beginning, there's lots more coming up. So, you know, hit that subscribe button and you'll find out what's coming. But in the meantime, all the best and happy drawing.